Greetings and welcome to today's episode of Mentor Mike's Market Movie. Today is Wednesday, June 6, 2012. Just a quick reminder, this will be our last episode for this week, but we will be back on Monday, so everybody enjoy their weekend. Okay, let's get started. We'll start out at 50 times normal speed. Okay, we've got a little bit of a bullish hook on the stochastic. Everything else is still looking pretty bullish here, so let's get long. Oh, and we are stopped out. All right, definitely a change to the downside. Let's see if we get an opportunity to join the party. Okay, price has gone up and is starting to come down. Everything looks pretty bearish still on the longer term, and we have divergence on the MACD, higher high on the price, lower high on the MACD. So we can take this transitional move. So let's get short. And since we're waiting for the next setup here and our trades are going to be confined to with the trend trades, let's bump up the speed a bit to 100 times normal speed. And it looks like we got another chance at doing that. Well, we've got a nice bullish move here, but it's not with the trend. It's not a red, white, blue triple alignment here, so we're going to give it a pass. We're going to stick to the highest probability trades here. Okay, Price and blue have dipped below white and have now reemerged on top. Faster stochastic is likewise turning up. We don't have the parabolic flip, but this looks like a pretty good chance to take another bite of this apple now that we're above the red here. So here we go. Now remember, when you've got a real unidirectional trade, one of the things you can do is drop down to a lower time frame and as you can see, we just missed an opportunity to get in here based on this parabolic flip, but let's see if we get another one. Okay, now let's look for a little turnaround. Like so. Now our stop is a bit closer on the 1 minute chart than it would be on the 2 minute, but, well, such is life. We did pick up a little bit though. Alright, I'm going to go back to the 2 minute. And looks like we kinda are about to get another chance on this time frame. Let's see. Okay, it's starting to curve around and the price is starting to rise. Let's get long. Gonna hit that target? Yeah, finally. Okay. Move these down. Alright, maybe another opportunity here. We'll see. Maybe not. This looks like a more profound drop. we clearly have some divergence on the MACD though, so if we if this becomes a transitional move, we'll be looking to get short. Okay, that's a good sign. Now let's look for a curve. Downward curve, that's what we want. There we go. Now, this thing is turning around. Now, this is another transitional move in a sense, but not really. It's actually part of the same uptrend before, because I'm pretty sure this is a wave 4 setup here. So we're going to go back on the long side again, and I don't see it as violating our the terms and conditions of our trading here, because we're still going in the direction of this larger impulse pattern. So I'm getting long because of the stochastic crossing. We've almost got a cross on the MACD too. And there we go. Okay, flip the parabolic. Let's look for a turnaround, like so. Well, hit both targets. Okay, we're after 1 o'clock now on the replay clock. I don't think we're going to have another trade here, so let's just run out the clock. And that's that. All right. Well, with 7 contracts, we made 2,700. So we know that we're going to be increasing the number of contracts by at least 2 and possibly more depending on where our status is right now. So let's see the number of trades we had. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So things are starting to get interesting already, and we're just barely into the month. So everybody have a good weekend. Come back and see us next week.